Hello, green butterflies. We are on lesson 3.7, use 10 to subtract. How does getting to 10 in subtraction help when finding differences? This is a little bit like the other day when we were adding and making a 10. We're just trying to get to a 10 so that we can again use our combinations to 10 that we already know to figure this out quickly. Circle the amount you subtract for each problem. Scott has 13 crayons. So we start at 13. He gives 3 crayons to Tyler. 1, 2, 3. Gives 3 crayons to Tyler. How many crayons does Scott have now? That's right, he has 10. I guess they want you to subtract on the blue line segment, not on the number line. All right, Scott had 17 crayons and he gave 7 to Tyler. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see how we're just going to 10? We're going from 17, subtracting 7, getting to 10. Now we're at 12. How many are we going to need to subtract to get to 10? That's right, just 2. We'll get to 10. Okay. Let's turn the page. Now, what we've done here is just the first part of what we're going to have to do on the next page. We're going to subtract in chunks. The first chunk to get to 10, and the second chunk to finish subtracting everything that we're supposed to subtract. Let's look at this. 12 minus 5. So, how much do we have to go back in order to get to 10 from 12? Got to go back 2. And then to finish taking away all 5, how much farther are we going to have to go back? I have to go back 3 more. So let's look at this. We'll start at 12. We can jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 10. We jump back to 10. Had to go back 3 more. Gets us to 7. 11 minus 6. So we're going to have to go back. How far to get from 11 to 10? Just 1. Now, to go back 6, and we've already gone back 1, how much farther do we have to go back? We have to go back 5 more. So we can use our facts to 10. 11 minus 1, we know that's 10. And we've got to go back 5. 10 take away 5 is, well, 5 and what make 10? 5 and 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. 15 minus 7. Well, let's get to 10 first. Now, this is where our arithmetic rack might actually be more helpful than it was the other day. 15 minus 7. Well, to get to 10, how many do we need to take away? That's right, we have to take away 5. 5. How many more? 5, 6, 7. We'll take away 2 more. So, 10, if we're at 10, we're going to go 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 2 gives us 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Let's try that same strategy here. We're going to start with 13. We'll do 10 and then 3 more. How far do we have to go to get back to 10? Right, we've got to take away 3 to get back to 10. How many more will we need to take away in order to have taken away 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many blue ones did we have to take away in order to take away all 7? 4 blue ones. So we took away 3 and 4. And once we've done that, we're left with what? 6. The 10 minus 4 equals 6. Again, I know this looks confusing. What they're trying to do is teach you a way to do math in your head. And it's kind of weird doing math in your head and then having to show it on paper. It's just a way to try to help you to understand it. So I'm actually going to say that I'm going to encourage you to use the arithmetic rack, and let's just try one more together. 13 minus 5. Okay, you can see how many you need to take away. Whoops. How about I put my plastic over there so I don't ruin my math book? Sound like a plan to you? Sounds like a plan to me. 13 minus 5. Now, I know when you're looking at the arithmetic rack, you're like, zoop, 5, it's 8. Let's just humor them. It's just the math book. We got to make the math book happy. Okay, so 13. First, we take away our whites. Tell how many blues you're going to have to take away in order to take away all 5. That would be 2. So 10 minus 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, which means that 13 minus 5 is 8. I'm going to do one more. Ha, I'm spoiling you, aren't I? 15 minus 6. Got to take away 5 to get back to our 10. In order to take away 5, 6, we have to take away how many blues? 1. All right, so 10 minus, all we talk about is the blue. 10 minus 1 is, you can look at it and see, it's 9. So 15 minus 6 is 9. I know it feels weird that they teach you like one way and then another way and then another way to solve it, and each day you have to practice one. The reason they're doing that is because they want you to learn lots of different ways, so eventually you can choose the one that works best for you. Because when you have a way that you can solve problems quickly and easily, it makes it a lot easier for you, because you don't have to then memorize everything completely. You can just go, oh, yeah, I can figure this out quickly. I don't have to just, okay, oh, what was it? No. You have tools and strategies to help you figure it out. Good luck.